Mrs. Cassens, and I'm here to teach you how to make a line sculpture. Do you want to see it? Did you know a line can stand up? It can curl, it can bend, it can wave, and it can zigzag. Let's go.
First, we need to assemble all of our materials. We'll need a black piece of paper, a white pencil or crayon. That's going to be to write our name on our paper. A glue stick. You can also use liquid glue if you don't have a glue stick. And different colored strips of paper. You might also want scissors, but I'm not using scissors in mine. Now we're going to write your name and your teacher's name on the back of your black paper. If you don't know how to spell your teacher's name, remember you can always look on the board. Flip it like a pancake. The way we make our line stand up is we're going to fold 2 stinky feet. So on one side, I'm going to make a fold. This is going to be a little foot. Ready? 1 stinky feet, crease it. 2 stinky feet, crease it. And to make our stinky feet stand up, we need some glue. So you're going to put a circle of glue on 1 stinky feet and 2 stinky feet. And you want to make sure you're standing it up so it doesn't roll off your table. Now we're going to put it anywhere we want on our paper. And this is super important.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Want to make sure you hold on to it for 10 seconds so it stays on your paper. So let's practice that again. 1 stinky feet, 2 stinky feet, glue. Good job. Now we're going to put it over the other one if you want.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Don't forget to hold it for 10 seconds.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job. Now our 2 lines are standing up. Now I'm going to show you how to make a triangle shape. You start off the same way, folding 2 stinky feet. But then we're going to fold it in half. Make a crease with your finger. And now when you open it up, it looks like a V shape. We're going to put some glue on each stinky feet, and we're going to hold it down on our paper for 10 seconds. You can decorate your line sculpture any way you like. Maybe you'd like to make a cool, amazing playground. Maybe you'd like to make a map. This is so cool. I'm going to show you how to make a spiral. You use your pencil, and then you roll your paper up. Takes a little bit of practice. All the way up, roll it, roll it, roll it. It's kind of like rolling a sleeping bag. Then you're going to pull out the pencil. Ta-da! And now you've created a spiral. Put a little glue on your paper and then hold it for 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a zigzag. So you fold it, flip it over, fold it, flip it over, fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, all the way up. I'm going so fast. Then you put glue on 1 side, 2 sides, and now you have a zigzag. You're going to fill up your whole paper. Maybe you'd like to put some on top of each other like a double decker. You could make a second floor. You could make spirals coming off of spirals. The sky is the limit. When you're done with your artwork, you're going to hold it with 2 hands and we're going to take it into the storage closet and put it safely away. Namaste.